Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Same Apple ID and both devices on the same 4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, because AirPlay and remote pairing rely on local discovery. Once done, update iOS and tvOS so features match and enable home sharing for library access. Now open the Apple TV app or swipe to Control Center and choose the remote. Follow the on-screen pairing code. This initial pairing lets your phone act as both remote and streaming source quickly. With pairing complete, you'll decide whether to mirror your screen or AirPlay from an app. Mirroring sends the entire display, while AirPlay streams a single app for better performance. Make the selection in Control Center and pick your Apple TV device. Then adjust playback quality, enable subtitles, and choose audio output if needed. You can use the iPhone touchscreen to scrub, play/pause, and open the on-screen keyboard for searches. Also remember that wired content versus DRM-protected apps may enforce different quality limits. Finally, use your iPhone as the Siri remote to navigate, type with the keyboard, and hold Siri for voice commands. This speeds searches and input. Make sure apps are signed in and home sharing is active to access purchases and playlists. When done, stop mirroring or AirPlay and unpair if you need privacy. If playback or pairing fails, restart the Apple TV and iPhone, confirm both use the same Wi-Fi and Apple ID, and repair the remote. Updating software often fixes lingering bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.